Love you too. Oh, you look wonderful, sweetheart. As always. You always do, sweetheart. I love you too. Huh? Oh, yeah, sure. I gotta... Huh?
I said our babies are crying.
Yes, they are. I know that.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I know that. They always feel left out. I know that. But anyway,
Okay.
so they said the chance of rain.
Is it dwindling?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah. I wish it was. Huh?
To what?
It's like 30% right now. So we'll see later.
It's supposed to be later tonight.
I hope so.
I heard a thunderstorm, so.
But hopefully it is.